Rick Gonzalez here with Mercedes-Benz Smithtown. Today I'm going to show you how to use the different driving modes on your Mercedes-Benz. Let me show you. So on the GLS and the GLE Mercedes-Benz, you're going to have this knob here that tells you all your different drive modes. Comfort, Sport, Individual, which you could customize using the controller or the touchpad to different modes that you may want. Also, there is a snow mode and an off-road mode. Once you switch your mode, it'll display on your instrument cluster. For the snow, for slippery, off-roading if you're going off-roading, if you want it to be in the sport mode, and also an individual, which you can customize to your liking. On our sedans and GLC and GLC Coupe, you'll notice dynamic select is right here in the center console. By moving the toggle forward or back, you'll see the different drive modes. Once you move the toggle forward, you go into your different drive modes: Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, which you can customize to your liking. You also have Comfort, which it always defaults when you turn on your Mercedes-Benz. You even have an Eco for better fuel efficiency. On the GLA and CLA, you'll see Dynamic Select right here, the silver key. And you press it, and here you have your different drive modes: your Sport, your Individual, your Off-Road, your Eco for more efficient, and then right back to Comfort. This is Rick Gonzalez with Mercedes-Benz Smithtown. Check us out on Facebook. Have a great day.